How to turn on memories notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, today we'll show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go up and open your profile and click on this icon. Then click on this icon of settings and then go to notification and click, and then you go down and you will find here memories. You will turn on this by clicking here like that, and now it will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.